Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy April Fool's Day. Wow. Busy couple of days. And I'll give you a quick walk around now what I've done. It's all outside work. So 3, 2, 1, there we go. And as you can see, it's all had prime. Look at that. I've even done a little bit on the wheels, just to shine them up a little bit. There we go. It hasn't got the goat coats on anymore. It's gone. The prime is on there. It's ready to be painted. There we go. There we go. So yeah, ready to be painted, the main colour. And that won't be done for a few days. A few weeks yet. Need to get the engine sorted. Hopefully next couple of weeks that'll be sorted. A couple of bits of interior to be done. It's right, I'm getting funny looks off the neighbours. I think I'm talking to myself. So the next video will be the reveal of the collar when that goes on. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, all primed, ready for the main colour. So yeah, we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. Oh, 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 we're getting there. I'm so excited because we're getting there. Anyway, I'll cut that out. Right. Haha. Happy camping.